second special was nice, 160 kilometers to do with some section that was neutralized to cross roads and so on. In overall, the very first part was very fast. I think I've seen 128 on the dashboard, so yeah, that was fast.
Today we had, I think, everything what we can have, and the sand and the mud and the water and the gravel and even the asphalt, so everything at one stage. I'm really glad about that, but in one place I stuck. There was a few bikes which just closed the road. They are stuck, so I tried to find way. It was option from left and from right. I chose from left, so it was a bad decision, so I stuck and lost about 2 minutes.
And then some muddy section where I managed to not get stuck, hopefully. And in the end, very narrow between the trees and the sandy tracks.
Overall, I'm happy. We're in the finish line and still in the good position, and it's only the second day. So still 3 days and very long 2 days to be in the BP Ultimate Portugal. Let's go to prepare for tomorrow.